Introductory Guide to Solar Energy Tax Benefits. Understanding tax credits. Tax credits may reduce the amount of tax you owe, dollar for dollar. Unlike some deductions and exemptions, they can significantly decrease your tax bill or increase your refund. How the federal solar tax credit functions. When you install a solar panel system, you may be eligible for this credit on your federal income taxes. Notably, if your credit exceeds your tax liability for the year, it rolls over to the next year. It's important to understand that this credit is not a direct refund but rather a reduction in taxable income. Under the federal solar tax credit coverage, if you've installed a solar panel system recently, you can claim a federal tax credit covering 30% of the costs, including the panels, equipment, labor, and even sales taxes on eligible expenses. Federal Solar Tax Credit Insights. The federal government's Solar Investment Tax Credit, ITC, initiated in 2006, has been a catalyst for the U.S. solar industry's exponential growth. Qualifying for the ITC means you can claim a portion of your solar panel installation cost on your federal income taxes. As of 2023, the ITC offers a 30% credit for systems installed between 2022 and 2032. Recent enhancements. The Inflation Reduction Act. The Inflation Reduction Act of 2022 significantly augmented the appeal of solar energy investments. The act extended the ITC's 30% credit rate until 2032. This tax credit is retroactive for systems installed in the 2022 tax year. Claiming the solar tax credit. To claim the credit, file IRS Form 5695 with your tax return, detailing your project's total costs and calculating your credit. Any unused credit can be carried over to subsequent tax years. Timing your solar investment. With the current law in effect, the incentive to go solar is compelling. It's important to consider factors like technology advancements, state-level incentives, and net metering programs. Our experts can help you decide when is the right time for you. Incentives, state and local. Beyond the federal ITC, many states and local utilities offer additional incentives, like rebates and renewable energy certificates. These can further reduce your installation costs. The combination of federal, state, and local incentives makes solar power systems an increasingly attractive investment. While the initial outlay is considerable, the long-term savings and tax benefits can be substantial, aligning well with the financial strategies and lifestyles of individuals in our region. To learn more about how Sun City Energy can help you get started on your solar journey, please visit us at suncityenergy.com or call us at 479-333-1148.